This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Back to some sunshine, and for a change, we've got some cooler and drier, more comfortable weather, and that's going to last most of this week. 13 weather ball is red. Tomorrow, warmer weather ahead, but just as comfortable with almost as much sunshine. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Lots of clear skies right now. Introducing Oliver. Daniel, if you want to take Oliver out for a walk here this evening, very comfortable. Dropping from the low 70s into the 60s by 10 o'clock. In the morning, it'll be in the 50s to around 60. Going to give you the green paw for both your evening and morning walk here tonight and tomorrow. Out on Lake Michigan, waves were quite choppy early this morning, but all the beach hazard alerts were lifted at noon, and the waves have come down to around 1 to 2 footers, and they'll remain fairly low, as the winds will be light and variable throughout most of the night. In fact, waves will go virtually calm, but they may go up around 1 foot or so on the north half of the lake with the onshore breeze toward morning. Water temperatures upper 60s to low 70s north half of the lake. South half of the lake pretty much untouched. They've climbed back into the mid and even upper 70s. Very warm in the water. Tomorrow, almost as much sunshine as we saw today. 9.0 out of a 10-point scale with over 200% of the possible energy savings. And tomorrow, light and variable winds. Not a great day to create electricity from the wind. Had a few fair weather cumulus clouds earlier on the southern horizon. You can see some high clouds. Those are the tops of some showers that are way down in central Illinois, not going to be affecting us, as high pressure over Iowa pretty much keeps us clear and dry. Now, we will not stay sunny, but we'll see a few high clouds come in here during the day tomorrow. You can see overnight, a few high clouds coming on in. This is late in the day, so a mostly sunny day expected. Lots of sunshine early on Wednesday. There is a slight chance of a shower. A couple of spots may see just enough to wet the ground on Wednesday, but that's about it. Models are just showing mainly a northwest flow that's going to keep us cooler and drier and sunny right on through the weekend. Toward the end of the weekend, winds will turn around more to the southwest, and despite partly sunny skies on Sunday, we'll see our temperatures warm back up to a little bit above average for this time of year, but below between now and then. In terms of rainfall, not a lot. Certainly not what we saw on Saturday night. At best, we would see just enough to wet the ground on Wednesday, if at all, across the region. The heavier rain is going to stay well down to our south and closer to the polar jet stream, which is up over the eastern UP. Long range outlook from August 2nd through the 8th. High chances that we will have warmer than average temperatures and a higher chance that we'll see less rainfall during that first week of August. So continued warm and dry. Tonight, skies will become partly cloudy for a while. Mid-50s north, upper 50s from Muskegon southward. Up north, you'll drop to around 53 as clear skies will give way to partly cloudy conditions, then back to clear skies by daybreak, and momentarily partly cloudy overnight here in the greater Grand Rapids area, and southward overnight lows in the mid-50s. 13 on your side forecast. Other than a few widely scattered showers Wednesday, it's slightly more humid. We'll stay a little bit below average with temperatures, but very comfortable. And then back into the mid-80s starting on Sunday, in mid and upper 80s next week. Again, dry weather will prevail, a little bit more humid toward the following Wednesday and Thursday. Wow, wild night Saturday night, but we've recovered since.
Thank goodness. And what a delightful forecast, really.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very wild Saturday night, lots of severe weather, lots of rain. Is there any more of that coming in our direction? Let's check the 13 weather ball for your Tuesday first off. It is red, a little warmer weather ahead, but just as comfortable humidity. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today made it in the mid and upper 70s across the area. Average is 83. Likely we won't see that a good portion of this week, but that 77 was within 3 degrees forecast of our Sunday high of 75, 10 days in a row where we have been within 3 degrees. We are about a half degree warmer for the month of July. And precipitation, despite the rain on Saturday night into Sunday, we're about 3/10 of an inch below average. And that's probably how we're going to end up for the month. Not a lot of rain left in the forecast. 17% less sunshine than usual. Might end up on the deficit side. Surplus for rainfall now since summer began. This is for Muskegon, Holland, and Kalamazoo down through the Jackson area, I should say, since July 1st. We're still running a little bit of deficit for the summer. A little bit of a deficit also up north and in the UP, where they've had a lot less rainfall than we have had here in the southern states. Well, it looks like all of the high clouds down to our south are from some dissipating showers that are moving through that area. In the meantime, high pressure is controlling our weather pattern. It's going to keep all of these showers, most of the showers, at bay for much of the rest of this week, although one of those stray showers might make it in here during the day on Wednesday. This is overnight tonight. Some of those mid-level clouds coming on through, but otherwise it will start with clear skies in the morning here tomorrow. A few high clouds might come on in, but on Wednesday we have a chance of a shower, just a chance that might just be enough to wet the ground. Rest of the week looks like it will be mostly sunny and dry on Thursday, and also the same on Friday. There'll be some showers up to the north and well to the south of us here in West Michigan. We'll stay dry on through Saturday, and then finally by Sunday, as the winds turn around more to the south, we'll start to see an increase to our temperatures back to near average or a little bit above. In terms of rainfall, as I mentioned, we have one chance of that here this week, most likely on Wednesday, just enough perhaps to wet the ground in a few locations, as the air is going to be very dry for the next 7 to 10 days or so. So the forecast for tomorrow, look for lots of sunshine, mid and upper 70s from Hart and Ludington northward, around 80 in Muskegon and Holland. Light and variable winds will become southwest in the afternoon, upper 70s to near 80 up north. Very nice summer day. Winds will turn around to the south later on in the afternoon. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, light and variable winds throughout much of the day with highs right around 80 plus. 13 on your side forecast. Few scattered showers or sprinkles on Wednesday as it gets more humid, and that will be the only somewhat more humid day. Temperatures all week in the mid and upper 70s after low 80s here next too. We'll finally warm up to around 84 on Sunday. Next week, a few more clouds on Monday, but mid and upper 80s. The humidity will stay down until the following Wednesday and Thursday when it gets a little bit more humid.